In recent years, the health-conscious movement has led to a surge in the popularity of juicing. With its promise of delivering essential nutrients quickly and deliciously, juicing has found a prominent place in many kitchens across the globe. Amidst this trend, Hurom has emerged as a significant player, offering sleek and efficient juicers that promise to enhance your juicing experience. But is investing in a Hurom juicer the best decision for your health and kitchen? Hurom juicers are renowned for their stylish and modern design, making them a great addition to any kitchen counter. Their unique design elements not only make them visually appealing but also contribute to their functionality. Available in a variety of models, Hurom offers a spectrum of color options to suit different tastes and kitchen decors, adding a splash of elegance and sophistication. One of the standout features of Hurom juicers is their advanced slow squeezing technology. Unlike centrifugal juicers that generate heat and oxidize the juice, Hurom's slow juicing method ensures gentle extraction. This process preserves the essential nutrients and enzymes, delivering a healthier and more delicious juice. The minimal oxidation leads to a richer taste and an extended shelf life for your juices. Hurom's user-friendly components make it a preferred choice for both beginners and seasoned juicing enthusiasts. The juicers are designed for easy assembly and disassembly, facilitating seamless operation. Furthermore, the cleaning process is straightforward, with many parts being dishwasher safe. These features ensure that you can enjoy your nutritious beverages without the hassle of complicated maintenance. The juice yield from a Hurom juicer is notably higher when compared to many traditional juicers. This efficiency is complemented by the superior quality of the juice, which maintains a rich and vibrant flavor, along with a smooth texture. Hurom juicers excel in extracting the maximum essence from fruits and vegetables, ensuring that you receive every possible drop of goodness. Hurom juicers are lauded for their versatility. They handle a wide range of produce with ease, from leafy greens like kale to hard vegetables like carrots. Beyond just juices, these machines can also be used to make nut milks and smoothies, extending their utility in your culinary adventures. This multifunctionality makes them a true asset in diversifying your daily nutrient intake. Feedback from Hurom users is overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its efficiency and juice quality. The ease of use and cleaning often earn accolades, enhancing the overall juicing experience. Among the commonly noted advantages are the high juice yield, nutrient retention, and quiet operation. On the downside, some users point out the premium pricing and the larger footprint of certain models as potential drawbacks. While the majority of feedback highlights the positives, a few users have raised concerns about the time-consuming nature of the slow juicing process. However, this is often outweighed by the myriad benefits and superior juice quality. Hurom juicers are positioned in the premium segment, with prices varying based on model and features. Despite the higher initial investment, many consider Hurom juicers to be worth the cost due to their performance and durability. Hurom is known for crafting durable and reliable machines. With proper care, these juicers are designed to withstand regular use without a decline in performance, adding to their value for money over time. When comparing Hurom with other brands, their juicers often offer superior quality and efficiency. The higher upfront investment is often justified by the longevity and enhanced juice quality, making Hurom a smart choice for those committed to a healthy lifestyle. In summation, Hurom juicers present a compelling blend of style, functionality, and performance. While they come at a premium price, their strengths in juice quality, versatility, and ease of use make them a significant investment for any health-conscious individual. Ultimately, the decision to invest in a Hurom juicer depends on your personal needs and kitchen space. If you found this review helpful and want to explore more kitchen gadgets, subscribe to my channel for the latest reviews and tips.